Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Newcastle County in northern Delaware, southeastern Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania, southwestern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, western Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 7:15 p.m. At 6:26 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Elverson to near Rising Sunshine, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roof, siding, trees, and power lines if possible. Locations impacted include Wilmington, Newark, Westchester, Norristown, Pottstown, Phoenixville, West Norton, East Norton, Pennsville, Coatesville, Westtown, Downingtown, Ellesmere, Kennett Square, Newcastle, Birdsboro, Collinsville, Oxford, Royersford, and Parkersburg. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 298 and 331. Northeast extension between mile markers 24 and 27. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania near mile marker 0. Interstate 95 in Delaware between mile markers 6 and 23. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 327 and 330. Interstate 295 in New Jersey near mile marker 0. Interstate 476 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 12 and 14. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Chester, Delaware, and Montgomery, and Newcastle, Delaware. National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay north of Fools Island, Maryland until 7 p.m. At 6:26 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Northeast River to near Spassuti Island, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 50 knots and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, motors could easily explode overboard by vibrations. Thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6:45 p.m. for South Central Berks County. At 6:27 p.m., a severe